Hello guys, today I am going to solve the first question in the list of 50 questions of SQL in LeetCode. Let's read the question. We have a table called products. Product ID is primary key for this table. Low fats is an enum of type Y and N, where Y means this product is low fat and N means it is not. Recyclable is an enum of type Y and N, where Y means this product is recyclable and N means it is not. We need to write a solution to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable, which means both low fat and recyclable should have Y as its values, and return the result table in any order. Let's see the example. We have the products table and we need the product ID whose low fats and recyclable has Y in its values. So the output will be 1 and 3. So this is the output. Let's write the solution. Select product ID from products table. And the condition is where low fats equal to Y and recyclable equal to Y. So this is the solution.